Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add someone on Spotify. So you can add them like by following them and them following you back. So like search up an account and like follow them. So I'm just going to select this person's account and follow them here. And when they follow you back, like you guys can be friends on Spotify. Or like another way to like add a person, this is basically just adding them on your playlist. So go to like a playlist, select the three dots and select invite collaborators. And just copy the link. Copy the link and then send it to like your friend. Then they can be added to like your playlist and they can add songs to that playlist like here. That is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!